How to remove a door handle, Golf MK8. So that type. It's nothing like before models. Nothing to unscrew. On the front door we have two tabs. You take the bottom one. Then if you take a look in, it's be possible to show you. Yeah, you see that round thing? So just get a screwdriver or Torx or whatever, just get push in and then you pull the handle. Actually that's it. So how it works, so yeah, so you have that thing, whatever you push, they move back, and that's it. Yeah, so if you want to fit, put it back, just push in again, push the handle, and that's it, and it's work again. To remove, push in, that's it. And that model have plugs, so you just unplug it, and that's it.